Up, bro? Crypto Cardi coming back to you again with another video. This one I'm going to show you how to use the market cipher momentum waves or wave trend oscillator, whichever one you use for entries with the EMAs in order. Keyword multiple time frames. You want multiple time frames doing the same thing. You don't want to just take a trade off like a 5 minute and every other time frame looks different. So this is how we're going to do it. Got a couple examples here. Let's just go to it. So right now we're gonna start Bitcoin on a day chart. So I'm gonna use this too, the bar replay. This is really good for you guys to use. So as you can see, the setup, market cipher or your wave trend oscillator, whichever one you want to use. We got EMAs here, 800, 200, 134. Now there's a certain type of order, bullish or bearish. This is a bullish order when you have the biggest ones at the bottom. Now you want to look at your momentum waves, see them going up to the upside. So let's do this here so you can see. Because if you're leverage trading, if you go in too early, you can get liquidated. You go in too late, you can get liquidated or stopped out. So you just want to be there just in time. So if we go here, if you look, EMAs were in order. I'm getting engulfing green candle here. This is key here, the zero line, because below it is bearish, above the zero line is bullish, right? But the biggest moves are when the EMAs line up with wherever this is. So see here, the momentum waves are bearish below the zero line. As you can see, price did pull back here, right? But that wasn't really a big move. 11,600 to 10,000 is not a lot. Now watch this. These EMAs are in order. We're going above the zero line. You see that wave pop up? That's your entry to go long. And the rest is history from there. This started the Bitcoin bull run of 2020. As you could see, we started at 11K. It's up to 15K now. Obviously, you guys know it went to 60,000. Not going to show that. But what I want to do is this, right? Let me go back, fix the chart. It's current. Let's go back to where we were, right? We was on the day chart, right? At the same time that's happening, right? Let's look at another time frame. Let's go to the 2-day chart, right? Okay. What do we see here? Momentum waves to the upside, doing the same thing the other time frame did. Let's put this bar replay here. EMA's in order on the 2-day chart. Looks like we're trying to go above the zero line, but be for certain you want to see the blue wave pop up. Entry. When you have multiple time frames doing the same thing, it's more than likely that move is going to happen. All right. And let's end that there. Let's go to another. Let's go to gold. This is also on the day chart we're going to show. Actually, we'll do something. Let's go to like a 6-hour chart. Let's see. Okay, we'll do this. This is recent. This was February of this year. EMAs in bullish order, as you can see. See waves going up to the upside here. Hit the play button. You know what happens next. But look how the waves form. Look how the EMAs, when they're tight, right? And prices above it, the tighter the EMAs are, the more it pushes price up and makes a ribbon. That's key. That's what you want. You want to ride that ribbon, and you want to ride the wave of the EMA. I'm sorry, the momentum waves. You want to ride them together. So that's the 6-hour, right? Let's do another time frame. Let's do it 12-hour. Perfect. EMA's in order. You see that poke right there above the zero line, bullish order. Y'all know what happens next. Y'all know what happens next. And these are big moves for the time frame. When the EMAs are in order, It's the biggest move for that time frame. It's hard to lose when you follow the rules. But the thing is, these moves don't happen all the time. They don't. But it helps you be disciplined. Let's do another example. What I got up here, I got oil. Let me move this here. All right, oil. Okay. 800, 200, 134, bearish order here. As you can see, it melted. If you want to short, obviously, people try to catch the tops of every entry or bottom of every entry, but you don't have to do that. As you can see here, even though we had two red candles and one nice engulfing one here, see that poke out? Look at that. From here, this is already a 300 pip move. And the cool thing about this is, let's go to a 30-minute time frame, right? Because that was a 45-minute. Let's close this here. Here it is there. Doing the same thing. You see the poke out there? Let's go to like a 20-minute. The wave already came down. So when you see the time frames doing the same thing, it's like a lot of people telling you something must really be true. If a lot of people's telling you something, that's what this is. You got to be patient and wait for your confirmations. Now, if you're not patient, it's hard to these things are hard to call when they're not clean EMAs, when they're not in order, because you can stop out both ways, long or short. You know what I'm saying? That's why you want to really be patient, get these cleaner trades. Is there another example we could show you? Let's do NASDAQ 100. This is Tesla, but we're going to go to NASDAQ 100. Let's find the one I use. Let's find something here. Now, with some of these pairs, you can actually trade in a small time frame, like NASDAQ 100. Here we go. We got some stuff here. Okay. So look here. Let me use this right here. Look at that right there. I'm not going to do the replay thing at this point. You guys get it now. 800, 200, 134. You see the wave drop down here in a 5-minute. Multiple time frames. Look at a 3-minute here. Oh, not here. This one is a mistake here. This is a 3-minute chart. Move is 1482 to 14,428. Nice move. Same thing. Wave was here, came to the downside. Price sold. You can go to the 1-minute. Got to go back. Same thing. Downward waves. 6-minute. Didn't show the 6-minute. Downward waves. EMAs in order. So, guys, the proof is right there. You can back test this. If you don't have access to Market Cipher, you can look up Wave Trend Oscillator by Madhu right here. The free version here, and it's very similar. And just to show you, let's see, where was it? Right here. When it loads here, we can do this one. We'll do one last video replay, just so you can see how it plays out. There's the poke out. There's your short entry. Market melted. And that's really much it. That's really it, So guys, practice this. I'm gonna leave the link to my group, Chart Champions, a free trade group where we have a bunch of traders. We share ideas. We look for perfect EMAs. Like I said, if you're trading Forex, this doesn't happen a lot. This happens a lot on the heavy pairs, NASDAQ, Bitcoin, gold on smaller time frames. It happens a lot. The higher time frames, it takes a while to play out, but practice. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like and subscribe to the video, please. I'll really appreciate it. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day or night. Later, YouTube.